Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. A question in on the channel from Lego Moose. I've heard you talk about the 13 Beatrix Potters in UK circulation quite a lot in coin hunt videos and also in reviews. Is there any chance that we can see all 13 at the same time? That is not a problem at all, and we'll run through all of the 13 that you can find in circulation today. The first Beatrix Potter then to be released back in 2016, the coin on the screen now, is the Beatrix Potter Anniversary, an absolute stunner, and you are looking £1 to £1.25 for that coin. The next coin is the Peter Rabbit Full Face Half Whiskers, the first of 3 Peter Rabbits to be released between 2016 and 2018. We'll look at one of the fan favourite next, the Squirrel Nutkin 50p. We have touched on that one before, around the £1.25 to £1.50 mark. The fourth coin to be released then in 2016 is the Miss Tiggy-Winkle 50p. She's worth around the face value, maybe up to 75 pence for a good quality one. And the final coin then of 2016 from the Beatrix Potter range, the Jemima Puddle Duck, the fan favourite there, £10 to £15 depending on the quality. We'll move on then to the 4 coins that were released in 2017. The first one then, the Tail of Peter Rabbit, the second of 3 Peter Rabbits to be released. That one there with just under 20 million mintage, so it is only worth its face value of 50 pence. The next one then was the Mr. Jeremy Fisher, also a 50p coin, worth its face value of 50p. We'll move on to the third coin then from 2017, the highest minted Beatrix Potter coin, the Benjamin Bunny. Definitely do check circulated ones. I do always sign the backs of those if I find them in my change, and you never know, you might find a Dan's Dollars Benjamin Bunny 50p coin in your change. The final one to be released in 2017, the Tom Kitten Crazy Eyes. He is getting up to the £1 mark, a huge shout out if you have managed to find him at home. So we'll move on to the final year they were released for UK circulation, 2018, and we'll start off with the Tailor of Gloucester, the TOG as we like to call him on the channel, £1.25 to £1.50. Sometimes they do sell for up to £2 for a perfect uncirculated, so definitely do keep an eye out for him. We'll move on then to the third rarest from the Beatrix Potter set, the Miss Tittlemouse 50p, the most undervalued 50p in UK circulation in my opinion. £3.50 she's worth, and she will go over the £10 mark, so do keep an eye out. We'll then finish off with the 2 rarest Beatrix Potters in UK circulation. 1.4 million of each were made. The Flopsy Bunny and the coin that you see on the screen now, the Peter Rabbit. He is there holding his radishes. As we know, Peter Rabbit was never fond of carrots. Like I say, only 1.4 million of each of those were made. They are around the £7 mark at the minute, nearly 15 times the coin's face value, and they definitely will become a £15 coin in the future, that is for sure. We'll finish off then, another question, can we see all 3 Peter Rabbit 50p's? They are in my hand now, so 2 questions in one video, and a huge shout out to LFC for that question. 2016, the Peter Rabbit Full Face Half Whiskers, the Tail of Peter Rabbit in 2017, and then the rarest Peter Rabbit there in 2018 with his radishes. I hope this video helps everyone at home, and it is really nice to see all 13 together, and a huge shout out if you have managed to find all of them in your change. If you haven't, don't give up, and as always guys, thanks for watching.